it didn't work here. Orleans, France, 40 degrees. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Recharging, how do you even cope? I mean, like, I can imagine you probably don't use the AC right now. How do you cope with that? Right? How do you genuinely cope with these temperatures? I love it. Literally everywhere is so much detail. You can just really soak it in. Recharging is riding a bike. Oh, not at the moment, right? Not at the moment. Like, how do you cool down at home? You know, I guess you just open the windows or something, but you can't do it in, you know, in a time like this, you just can't do it. Look how beautiful, like so many roses. I love it. By the way, this reminds me of Lizzie Senrose, guys. Lizzie Senrose is gonna be in September traveling in Europe, and we sort of wanna do one day in Slovakia as well, by the looks of it. So might be that we have another collaboration happening. So we already went through there. I'm checking on Google Maps where we walked, guys. I mean, like on real-time arrow, just so we have an idea. Just so we have an idea. It is so nice everywhere. Yeah, we have to catch the sunset vibe. She's been many places, I can imagine. Wait, guys, I'm checking real-time arrow again. Where are we? You know what is the worst? On real-time arrow, it doesn't load the map for me. Okay, now it does, So there is one more street we didn't go through over here. So maybe let's do that one. Then we go for that. Sunset view, right? There is one spot here we didn't do. Yeah, over here we didn't go left, right? I think. I'm checking the real-time arrow again because it doesn't update. I think we haven't been to this, not this one, but the next one. Yeah, the next one we have not been, guys. This one we have been, but there is another beautiful one here. Like over here is one street that we completely omitted. Then we have most of the streets covered. We go for that sunset thingy. How much snow is in the winter? Last time we were here in winter, it wasn't overly too much snow, but there was quite a lot. 3 meters? No, like 1 meter maybe there is here. but not much. Not much more than that. Look at that. This one we didn't go down through. Oh, look how beautiful. Right? Imagine I would omit this little cozy street. Like, is this even omittable? By the way, you know, when I actually deployed this WB command, this white balance command, it was actually in this village during winter. I remember when the sky is just blue and you don't have direct sun, the camera is sort of too blue